got to go through like 3 pieces. I'm trying to center it here. There it goes. Right now, I can get this pin to go through.
So you can set all this up without the throttle cable actually in it?
Well, yeah, I don't have the cable set up yet.
Right.
I'll do that later.
I see how it goes, yeah.
See, that's the problem is to get this thing lined up. It doesn't always want to cooperate.
And all this just from letting it sit.
Yeah, they corrode in here is that's what happened when they sit.
If it was being used, it would never have a chance to
Yeah,
corrode.
it's always being moved around. Yeah, normally when they sit, this is what happens.
Wow. I mean, when you think about it, if you own a bus, you really need to make sure that you're driving it around, because
you do.
otherwise, look how much it can cost. And people think that, oh, I just got to pay storage on my bus. When you go to drive it again, a whole bunch of shit's
You got to run.
a whole bunch of shit's not going to work, and you have to get it fixed.
You got to. And the newer ones are actually even worse.
Really?
Because electronically, things corrode really.
Oh, yeah.
You ever seen wires like when they turn green?
Yep.
That happens a lot with the. That happens a whole lot with the.
Blue, what's that?